What's up, YouTube fam? Thanks again so much for tuning in to another episode of Jen Gaga's World. I do want to jump on here really quick. I actually posted a video of a look that I did a few weeks back, and it was actually using all of the items in Evettexo's Morphe haul box. And so it looks like this. And again, I'm not sponsored. This is not a sponsored video. I do not know Evettexo, aka Blanca. If you're interested to find out who she is, if you don't know who she is already, definitely follow her on YouTube. She has two channels, one of herself at Evettexo, the other is Life with Evettexo. So if you're interested to find out what's in this box, you may have already seen that based on that video if you stay tuned through the whole thing. It was a little long though, so I wanted to jump on here and do another video as promised, just really showcasing the items inside. Now, this actual box, you can't find it any longer because it did sell out quickly that day, but all of the items inside are still available for purchase separately. So just wanted to jump on here to give quick reviews. I am wearing every single product that is in this box today. So if you're interested, please keep on watching.
I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new night. Fighting the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close, close and cool like this fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
So if you're still tuned in, then that means that you are very much interested. So again, this is what the box came, or how it came. I just thought it was a really cute box and a cute idea, you know, because ultimately it's actually promoting all of these products inside. And so I thought it was a really cool way to partner between Morphe and then of course the other products, because not every single product in here is Morphe, but it may be a product that Morphe carries in their store or somehow affiliated with them. This is Blanca, if you don't know who she is already, and I'll go ahead and get started. So in it came this box. It's actually a really funny story. So I had mentioned to my husband that I thought it was so cool that she was partnering and how I would really like this box. And he didn't even, like, I didn't expect he would get it for me, but he definitely came through. And so I was super excited and I was shocked when I saw it, but I was happy. So this is how the box came. It's filled with the, you know, little fluffies. And you'll notice that the items look already used, and that's because obviously I have been using them and I have been carrying them around in my makeup bag. I do have a video of what's in my makeup bag from a few months ago. I'll link it in the description below, so if you're interested. But I did have another friend ask me recently if I can do a video of kind of like my go-to products, and so I definitely plan on doing that soon. But I wouldn't be surprised, and I'm just letting you know now that some of these may actually end up in there. So we got a Morphe palette. This is the 18T, Truth or Bare. And of course, it's basically a lot of the nudes. So it comes with 18 different colors, and I'll make sure to swatch each and every one of those with you today. It also came with the Morphe. This is the Morphe lip liner in Makeup Talk, and I am wearing it today. And then we have the Morphe lipstick. This is the matte color, and it's in the color Honey. So really cute packaging, love it. We also had, this is my new go-to if I want an eyeliner that's not going to smear easily. So I will give you a disclaimer. Maybelline Stiletto is my ultimate go-to everyday look because it's easy to put on. If you're in a hurry, it's easy to like fix any mistakes because you're in a hurry. And it's also very easy to come off. Now, this one right here, very easy to apply, but if you do have a mistake, you better have something like makeup cleaner or something nearby because it definitely stays. So I am wearing that today, and you can see, and you'll understand why I like it so much when I show it, in case you didn't already see it in my other video. And then finally, you have this product here. This is the Oprah Mini Highlighter in Rodeo Drive. See that? And it's very pretty, so I'll definitely go through that one here. So I just want to go ahead and take this box put it aside so that I can go through each product. Let me just make sure I'm not missing anything. So we have, oh, and fluff brush. Forget, I haven't used it yet. This brush also came in the package. This is the M452 Blending Fluff Brush by Morphe. And matter of fact, I will take it out of the packaging now. And you can see how it's fluffy. It's not as fluffy as the one that I usually use in my crease, but definitely something that I can use probably for like just the under eye when applying nude under my eyebrow. But let's go in with the color. So again, I am wearing the lip liner. Like I mentioned, this is the color Makeup Talk. I am wearing the lip liner now, and this is that color. This is how it looks. Blends on super easily. Like that was actually harsh because I pushed too hard, but you see how easily? So it's like super easy, really nice color, and it blends it goes very well. The way I apply it is I apply it as a lip liner, but then I do fill it in a little bit so that way it can blend easily with the lipstick. The lipstick, obviously I have used, and you can see here I am wearing that as well, but I will apply it to my hand here. My hand is clean, so don't worry, no germs. See how good those two colors blend? And then when you apply it, of course, perfect look. The highlighter, I am wearing the highlighter. This is a couple hours ago that I applied. You can still see it on there, but just for the sake of this video, I'm swatching here. So you can see the highlight. You see it's hard with the lighting, but you can see a little glimmer, and you can still see it here where I applied it. And I put a little bit on my Cupid's bow. Beauty Bakery Lollipop Liner. Really cute on the packaging. Of course with the, and this is in black, just straight black color, but look at this. That's the part that makes it so easy to apply. So if you're trying to apply this like a wing, literally just see how easy that goes on. And it's so fine that you have to just like press very carefully for the sake of not ending up with the super thick liner. And like I said, it's hard to really clean up because it's such a good and long-staying product. So like this one I had to go in and clean up this morning. But like I said, I am wearing the liner today, and I'm loving it because it's on and it's on there. Now for the actual swatching of this palette, so like I said, this is the 18T Truth or Bare Morphe palette. It came in the little bubble wrapping. I have used it already, but for the sake of the video, I wanted to give it the full unboxing feel. And so these are the colors here. I'm taking this little thing, I left it out just for my own you know, reference. So I have it prepared so I can tell you all each color. There are 18 colors, you guys, so bear with me. So here we go. I didn't look up pricing on this palette, but with Morphe, most of their products are very much affordable. And we're gonna start with my arm here. Now, just real quick, I wanna showcase this little bracelet I got from my Nina today when I saw her. She came to the party, and it says Guardian Angel, love this life. Super cute, I love it. She always finds little cute little angel things. That makes me think back of my baby angel. All right, you guys, here we go. So for the first one, this is like a sheen. It's a light color, but it is like a sheen. You can see the little sheen. This is called Unveiled. So we're gonna start down here because we have a lot of colors to swatch. So Unveiled, you can see is very just kind of like a nude color. So it's more just to give you that pop, like a sheen. Then next we have Full Disclosure. This one I actually like for if you do apply concealer underneath your eyelid so that it can, underneath your eyebrow so you can give it that clean look. This is a good, you know, like if you don't want to use translucent powder, you just want to put the actual You can use this here, and this one doesn't have a sheen either, so it doesn't give you that, you know, that the light, the backlight or whatever. So you're gonna apply that, and that just kind of, see, it just blends in, like you really can't even see it, which is the goal that you're going for if it's a nude color, right? Next, you have here, this is Expose. So this one's really pretty. I like to use this on my eyelid. Let's see, make sure I'm not going over the other color. See how pretty that is? It has that little glow. That one also has a sheen to it. You can see it there with the lighting change. And you notice in the middle, you still can't see the nude, the full disclosure, because it's a nude color. So this one, Oh So Nude, I actually use this one up here today to set my under eyebrow concealer. And so this one here is a little bit darker than this one, but you can see how it doesn't have that little flashback, but it is, you can still see it though, right here, right where my little mole is. Okay, the next one, so this was Oh So Nude. The next is Spill It. Spill It, now this is more of that corner. I didn't use that one today, but I thought about it. See how it has that like chocolate color, really pretty, so that if you're going for like an all matte look, you can definitely use that. And this is another one that goes good with that because it's also matte color. And this is So Obvi, so like so obvious. So it's almost like a burgundy, like purple, like a maroon color. Okay, next, going back down here, you got Genuine. And we're gonna wipe down a little rag here, so I'm wiping down my finger. All right, so the next one we got Genuine. So Genuine, you can see it's like it is a nude, but it's a more of a lighter nude. Especially like if you're lighter complected, you could probably use that. So you can barely see it. In the Buff, I used In the Buff today. And that I used in my crease. And you can see that one is just kind of like, it's like an In the Buff, kind of like it's a nude, but just to give you a little bit more of a tone color. See that? Okay. Then you get Let It Out. Let It Out is definitely pretty because this is a sheen, but it's also more of a darker, more like for more of a dramatic look. And you can see it has a sheen on there also. That was Let It Out. And then we got On the Real. So On the Real I am wearing today as well. I like this color. So you can see I put that a little bit like right in here. So that's On the Real. Then we have Candid. Candid is pretty. I haven't tried this color yet, but it is another nude. It's, ooh, it's pretty. It's like a brick, almost like a brick nude, this one right here. Okay, that's Candid. And then we have Confession. Ooh, Confession. I confess to you that it's pretty. It's almost like a cross between these two. It has a little gold shimmers in there. You see that? It's like similar to this, a little bit darker, like right here, with the shimmer. Look at this. Yeah, see, because that is, what did we call it? The So Obvi. But then you see this one has a little bit more of a plum color. Okay. Oh no, excuse me, not Obvi. That one, well, either way, you get it. Next, so that was Confession. Now we're going on to the last row. I'm gonna actually switch arms. Okay. So the last row we have The Truth. This one right here, and The Truth is, I'm wearing that one on my eyelid today. Okay, so here's that. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty that is. You can kind of see it there on my eyelid. Now on my eyelid today, I basically applied all the colors that I was telling you I used today. I didn't do the concealer before I applied the color The Truth though, which I didn't want it to pop like super dramatically. I just wanted it to be in there as a sheen, and so that's basically what I did. I mean, it's kids' party, but I still wanted to glam a little bit because I had intended to make this video. This one here is honestly, I think this is really pretty. I can see this being a kind of like a base crease color. Really pretty. Very light, you know, kind of just, you know, little something, but not too dramatic. And then that was honestly. This one is Open Up. So Open Up is a good eyelid color. See that? Yeah. Then we have Reveal. Reveal is pretty also. And then we are down to the last two. We have Exhibitionist, which is this one here. That's so pretty. Look at all these colors. Almost looks like a fall, like feathers. And last but definitely not least is Tell All. Tell All, I thought I used, but no, apparently not. I didn't use this one yet. Look at that. Tell All. All these colors together are pretty. And it's so funny because they're all very similar but very different at the same time. So it's very hard to pick when you're trying to make a nude look, right? Because they all kind of look alike. So you're like trying to be different, but they all can lead you to a different look at the same time. So I definitely love this palette. I definitely see why Yvette chose this palette. It's really nice, really pretty, very natural, you know, it's nothing out of the norm, nothing crazy. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and finish up this video. So I definitely hope that you liked the swatches. It was more of an informational to let you know sort of my thoughts and the colors, so that if you are thinking about purchasing these products separately, you actually know what to expect and what to look out for. I know a lot of times folks don't necessarily have access to a Morphe store, so they are left with purchasing online. Whereas now, for me, I used to have to go all the way to the LA area. Very fortunate to have them here in Sacramento. But even then, I am very lucky to have access to Pinky Rose, which has, initially when I learned about Pinky Rose, it's because they carried Morphe products. So they definitely have a lot of a selection, and I'm looking forward to possibly working with them soon. I want to reach out to them about their makeup academy, so I'm very excited about looking into that. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified of future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.